Welcome to the EasyFern product navigation tutorial. Let's start by entering your username and password to log in. The next step is very important by entering the estimated dispatch date of your order. This allows our system to determine the product's availability and ensure we get the right stock allocation for you. Next, use the search bar facility or the drop-down menu to find your desired product or product category. You will see two different types of product layouts: standalone, non-kitted products with a colour swatch underneath, and kitted products with a master without a colour swatch. Firstly, the non-kit lines. These only display the colour variations available, meaning the product does not have interchangeable components and will only display a maximum of one variant option. The only exceptions are the table bases, which are grouped by size and will not display a colour swatch. Secondly, we have kit lines with a master, which means the product has multiple variations of components making up the same item. For example, the Aubrey Office range, there are two variant options available: a shell colour palette and a drop-down menu for the different shaped frames. However, if the frame is the same design, it will display a secondary colour palette. Under the image, you will see the product details such as origin, warranty, and dimensions. In the other information section, you will see more details, plus a varying group of icons which we will touch on in the next video called Product Information. On the top right-hand side of the page, you will see the variant options, the shelf wholesale price, the nominated dispatch date, and the stock availability, showing what is on shelf as well as incoming orders with nominated arrival dates. You can also add on services relating to the product, such as assembly, upholstery, or powder coating, and there is a section that will display the cubic and weight for when you want to organise your own freight. We have also listed the product status. This tells you whether the product is on trial, is a core product, or is listed as run out for discontinuation. Lastly, there is the indent pricing and order section. This is an option if you have longer lead times and wish to save money. Click on the link to view lead times, minimum order quantity, and payment terms. Want to learn more? Here are some other videos that might come in handy.